Hello and welcome to this Checkmate in 2 chess puzzle. This one was created by E Braune in 1880. Black has the king, a pair of rooks, pawn and the knight. White has the king, a pair of rooks, the bishop, knight, 2 pawns and the queen. It's White's turn. Can you see the checkmate in 2? Checking the king by moving your rook to d7 is a mate in 3 but not 2. You can move your queen up to g7 and it doesn't matter what black does. You can move your rook down to get the checkmate in just 3. Taking the rook with your bishop won't get you a mate in 2 unless black takes back their knight, because then you can take back with your queen to get the mate in 2. Instead, black can take the pawn with their king, and when you check with your rook, the king has an escape square, and then you can move in for just the mate in 3. Taking the knight with your queen is another mate in 3 but not 2. Black can move the rook to save a mate in 2, and then you can move the bishop in. After black takes back, you can move the queen up to get the mate in just 3. Taking the rook with your rook won't get you a mate in 2 unless again black takes back with the knight, because then you can move the queen over to get the mate in 2. The only saving move for black is to take the bishop with the knight. Then when you take the rook with the queen, the king has an escape square, but you can advance the pawn for just the mate in 3. Okay, let's have a look at the solution to this one, so pause the video if you need some more time. To get the checkmate in 2 for white, you need to move your knight to g6. If black takes your bishop with their knight, you can move the queen in to get the checkmate in 2. In fact, it doesn't matter where black moves the knight, you can still move your queen to e6 to get the checkmate in 2. If black blocks the queen with their rook, you can move your queen up to d7 to do the checkmate. If black decides to move their king up to e6, you can move your knight to f4 to get the checkmate in 2. That's the end of this video. Please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you again soon.